Good morning, children. Today we will have the recap of three systems that we have done so far. That is digestive system, respiratory system and transport system in human. We will also do the practice of the diagram because these are very important from examination point of view. So first of all, let us draw the structure of digestive system of human. Draw with me. If you cannot draw this outside figure, there is no issue about this. If you cannot draw this, no problem. You can directly start from here. This is the mouth through which we take the food inside. This mouth continue into oral cavity, and then this is the food pipe. This area is called pharynx. You know that pharynx is the common area, is the common passage where mouth is opening, where the nasal cavities are opening, where windpipe starts, where food pipe starts, where eustachian tube from our ears open. So this is the common area, pharynx. Now this is the food pipe, or also called esophagus. Now this esophagus, it continues into a bag-like structure. This bag-like structure is called stomach. This is stomach. Now stomach continues into a C-shaped structure. You will draw a C here. This C-shaped structure is called duodenum. This is a part of small intestine. Now this duodenum, this will continue into a highly coiled structure. Don't worry about this structure. आपको जैसा मर्जी बनाना है बनाओ. You can draw a structure like Maggie. Draw it like this. Why we are drawing it like this? Because this is the longest part of the alimentary canal. This is ileum. And this ileum, it continues into large intestine. So I am starting large intestine here. This is large intestine. Okay, this is large intestine. This complete is large intestine. There is rectum and this is anus. We have done that there is a finger-like structure here that is called appendix. It's a vestigial organ here, and this part is called the colon. This whole structure is representing the alimentary canal in human. Now let us draw the glands which are associated with this. The first gland is salivary gland that opens into buccal cavity. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands. So these salivary glands, these are secreting their saliva into the oral cavity. There comes the largest gland of the body. Can you name this largest gland of the body here? This one. This is liver. This gland is liver. And there is another gland here. What is the name of this gland? This is pancreas. This gland is pancreas. And there is a small gallbladder. This gallbladder, it stores the bile which is coming from the liver. So duct from the liver, duct from the pancreas, it opens into duodenum. So these three glands, they are secreting their juices in the alimentary canal. And now the food is completely digested into duodenum, absorbed in the ileum, undigested pass into this large intestine, and during this passage, water, vitamins, these are absorbed in the large intestine. Undigested is stored in the rectum for some time, and through anus it is thrown out. Have you drawn with me? Do the practice. Now let us do respiratory